Even if you buy a bad chemical, in this video I'll teach you how to still make use of it and your soap will come out perfect. See the quality soap we produce, look how thick it is. This is supermarket standard. So a business lady reached out to me. She wanted to learn how to make quality soap, and you know I always love teaching, so I gave her the measurement and asked her to buy the material so I could come teach her. Hello everyone, if this is your first time coming across my channel, please subscribe, turn on the notification bell. I truly appreciate your support. Unfortunately, she got a bad sulfonic acid, but come with me, I'll show you how you can still use a bad chemical and make it come out perfect. Please pay attention to the screen. I'll be writing the exact measurement while I explain what each chemicals are used for. Sodium sulfate is a thickening agent. You dissolve it in water and set it aside. Sodium lauryl sulfate is also known as SLS. It looks like rice. It's a foamy agent. You dissolve that in water, also set it aside. The same goes to soda ash. It's a cleaning agent. You dissolve it in water, you set it aside. Caustic soda is also a cleaning agent. You dissolve it in water, you set it aside. And the texapon and sulfonic acid, you're mixing texapon and sulfonic acid together. You add water, mix it together and set it aside. So the texapon and sulfonic acid are also your foaming agents. So you mix them together, add water, and then you set it aside. And next, your sodium benzoate. Sodium benzoate is your preservative. You're also going to dissolve that in the water and set aside. On the comment section, I'm going to pin the exact measurement and the procedure, so do well to check the comment section. Now the chemical left now are your nitrosol, your fragrance, your color, and your glycerin. Now for nitrosol, you don't mix nitrosol and set aside. Nitrosol is to be mixed directly on your mixing bowl. Nitrosol is your thickening agent, your thickener. So when you want to start producing, you pour it inside your production bowl and mix properly, and then you start adding other chemical. So my love, if you've watched this video to this point, it means you're enjoying it. If you've not given this video a thumbs up or subscribe to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I drop another video. I appreciate you stopping by. Thank you for stopping by. So let's continue. Remember I said at the beginning that even if you buy a bad chemical, I will teach you how to make use of it and it will still come out perfect. So when I saw this sulfonic acid, I figured that the sulfonic acid was not really looking good. I was like, are you sure this is a good chemical? She said, well, this is her first time, so I understand. Now the sulfonic acid was a bad one. We still made use of it and it came out perfect. These are the chemicals we're making use of now. We are about to get to the deal. So let's bring the 30 liters of water and start our production. Remember, we're making 40 liters liquid soap, so we had already used 10 liter water to mix other chemicals. So now in your bowl you add your nitrosol, mix that properly. The first set of chemical to add after mixing your nitrosol are your cleaning agents, which are your soda ash and caustic soda. You mix each properly, and after that you go in with your foaming agent, your SLS, your texapon mixture. So at this point I was adding my SLS. Remember, your SLS has to dissolve very well. So you add your SLS, you mix thoroughly, and then you go in with your texapon and your sulfonic acid mixture. Now this is where the bad chemical came in. After pouring in your texapon and sulfonic acid mixture, I turned and turned. Even I can tell you, I stayed here turning for like 10 to 15 minutes, yet it still did not dissolve. Now because the sulfonic acid was bad, the mixture refused to dissolve, we can't waste money, we can't throw the chemical away. So I just went ahead to add other remaining chemical and I kept on turning. Now I applied more pressure while mixing thoroughly. So this is me saying, don't waste any chemical, just continue using it. It will come out well for you, provided other chemicals are good. One bad chemical really is not going to mess up your production. But that doesn't mean that there are no lumps here. There were still lumps here, but keep going. So I went in with my foam booster, just basically add the remaining chemical, go into your foam booster and you mix properly. So you should also know that because it's called foam booster doesn't mean it's the reason why your soap lathers so well. Other foaming agents are there. if you do not have a good foaming agent, even with the foam booster, your soap is not going to lather so well. So the deal is getting a quality, a good chemical. And next you add your color, you mix thoroughly. Did I tell you the use of glycerin? So glycerin serves as a moisturizer. It helps the skin to be soft and smooth, preventing dryness or irritation any hard soap can cause. So glycerin don't just make your soap effective in cleaning, but also skin friendly. So you mix properly. Now, this is it. Can you see the lumps? Can you see the acid lumps there? Yes, don't worry, it's gonna dissolve. So when you're done mixing, you cover and set aside for 24 hours. Now this is the next day. Can you see how beautiful it looks? Did you notice any lumps? There are no lumps, they're all dissolved. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell. See you in my next video. Bye, guys.